done. All right. Let's see. Price marking up. Price is higher than previous one, so everything looks fine. Hey, where is our quotes? I need to find something that this one moves up. High volume here. There's no high volume at this one, so they might continue to price move up. So I'm gonna use back the same way to look into the market right now. Just now when I was started, then realized that is daylight saving, so US market starts later in our time. Ooh, this one have a bit of this, so I'm going to look for this paper trade. This one's SG site. This is what I'm looking into it. But this one very high spread. If I want to sell, then it's a bit difficult. I think today we look into a few of this. High price is up, volume higher than previous candlestick. With there will be a price pause over here, not marking it up higher. So just look into other stocks and see. So this one same thing, volume is higher than the previous one. Volume higher than previous one right now, so there will be a price retrace on the way. Okay, let's see if this candle it shows volume is higher than the previous one. Then wait, no, can't remember it. What is it again? Price is down. Let's say it's not much, not moving anywhere. Now we need to wait for it to move a bit sideways first and then show any sign of entry rules. Our entry rules at price and volume higher than previous candlesticks, then we can look into it. So just wait for a while the price are moving. Because we don't want to get trapped the price continuation of down, so wait for the entry rules. While waiting for it, let's see any of other stocks are showing sign today. What are the ones that is moving up higher? Digital World Acquisition Corp. Alphabet is down. Okay, so get ready for this. So right now it's 30 seconds. If the price is close higher than the previous one, ending with that, then we can start looking into it. Right? So remember to give us a like. Oh, Facebook's I haven't clicked go live yet. Give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, same old thing, and follow our Facebook page, and also share this out to your friends who are interested to look into trading in the US market. So 11291 is the paper trade entry price right now. So let's see the buy sell queue, see whether they are marking anyone are placing at the higher point. If only I have the, oh, this is the order book graph, right? More people are queuing at the high side. Okay, price is up. Okay, 99096, 990, 11300, 11302, 809, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 17, 19. Highest point is 19 right now. People are queuing at 19. That's it. 20 cents, 21, 21, 22, 23, 25, 25, 26, 30, 31, 31, 31, 33, 34, 36. Okay, it's down a lot from here, from 36. There's a huge changes of the buy queue placement. So that's why there's a sudden huge fall. So we have to take note of that. That is the first time, and right now is the second time. We have high volume that is coming in, but let's get ready for exit. Sell it. So we got the profit of about 10 cents. How much profit is that? Ah, 500. I think I exited too late. So when I sell it out, then it's already down. Yeah, it should be about 500 profit. So we do have high volume here right now, and price are marking up. So let's see whether they will have a pause and have the price up. But I don't think they will have of the price, whether it will continue have the down so soon. It might be move up slightly and then the price is down. So why do I look into a buy queue instead of the transaction data over here? Is because in US markets it's a bit different than Asia market, especially like Malaysia market or Singapore market, where the transaction is not that fast. So what you can see from here is that US market, when people want to buy or when they want to sell, then they will straight away park their queue there, and then immediately the next second it's done. So there is a lot of transaction going on in the market, in the US market. So if we are looking into transaction data, is not that accurate, because someone might be buying up, but the buying up price, the sell price might be lower. So you can't tell that whether they have the intention to mark it up higher. So that's why in US market, we have, from what I see over here, is that it seems like we have to watch the buy sell queue placement, how the people they place the buy queue at a higher point or not. Then we know whether they will continue to mark the price up higher, right? So that is so far the findings that I see. Okay, so you can see the price are marking up higher. That just now when I swap at about like 36 cents, it will have about 1,000 plus of the profit. But right now, the price already move up higher, so there's no retrace after the high volume. So I will not re-enter again. I'll just wait for it. Wait for the right timing. Bank of America might be something that we can look into it. BOA. But the volume is higher here. Filling up the buy side. Okay, I'll just look into this. So same thing, 29. There are people keep on queuing at 29 cents. $32, queuing at 32. So far not marking it up higher yet. 32 down to 28. 28 and 29 is where they keep on having orders coming in at that point. So if let's say they decide not to hold it at 28 or 29, then might means that they have no intention to mark the price up higher, maybe. So we need to watch and see. They keep on refilling. 32, 30. This 31 is marking at 30 cents, 37, 30 cents. 29. They are keep on maintaining at 39, 31 here. So $32. So far the highest by, okay, right now it breaks, it changed. 32 was the highest point. So right now we have it at 33. Down, back down to 29. $28. They keep on fill back at 29. So it's still alright. $29 again. This one I might want to 29, 28. Yeah, if let's say you have any different view about the market or about the stocks, feel free to leave a comment in the leave a comment and let me know about it. Okay. This one is well supported at 29. I mean, like they are queuing at 29 cents and 28 cents. So this stock price might just move up gradually along the day. $33 and $32. back to 29. Wow. I think let's take the profit and run first for this. 7, 29, 28. No, I don't have the profit now. I have to cut loss. If I get up, okay, cut loss. Because it goes down to 27. So they are not supporting it. So we have to get out quick. So you can see right now the price are going down. Let's come back to this and watch. Okay, and this one higher than previous one. So it's move up. This one will move a little bit while of a while of sideway first. So today we did 2 trades. Wow, a sudden drop in that Bank of America. We are losing 300 over. That's it. 6. 200 plus. This one I have about like 15 cents of profit. 600 plus. So I should be making about like 300 plus from here, from today's trade. Let's see with this one whether it can close up higher or not. If it can close up higher, then it's a continuation. If it's not, then no. 200 plus 6, about 600, 200 plus of so it should be about left 300 plus of the profit for today. Okay, so you can see this one continue goes down lower, and that's it. Not gonna look into it anymore. I think the rest of it, this AMD is forming a bottom. It's gonna take some time. Apple also forming a bottom here. Let's see this one whether it can close up higher. Let's just wait for another minute and see. Okay, it's not close up higher, so let's just wait. So if you are using this kind of method, then at least you are not, getting trapped at it and simply just enter into any of the stocks. If only I can do short selling, then I'll just do short selling. One thing is the US market, when they move, is totally different. Okay, we're seeing some bounce up here. Let's wait for another minute and see whether they will mark the price up. If it does close higher than the previous one, then it's time for us to look into it. If so 26, 28 seconds. Right now, let's wait. If it close higher than this, why I say it's going to have a rebound is because the degree of the price down is shorter than the earlier one. So usually when you see this kind of price movement, it's telling us that they will have a reversal in price. Whether it's up or down is the same. Okay, so right, price is up, and right now we are looking into it. So Apple. So let's see, same thing, the buy queue over here. 40, 38, 33, bounce back up to the 40. 33 is the lowest so far after we see that it's gone down. And 42 right now. The highest point is 45, 47, 48, 48, 48, 43, 41. Whoa, 35 is the 35 is the lowest that I see that they are parking in. 33, 30, 34. So that's a lot of price down. Marking it back up higher. 30, 30, 27, 23. Oh my god. Get ready for any of the exit first. Okay, it's bounced back up. So far, there's no high volume at the high side, so it doesn't really seem like they are going to have a reversal. Too early to say. Yeah. Seven, 29, 25, 24, 23, 25, 26, 26, 26, 27. Not close lower than the previous one. Volume is not higher than the previous one. Let's wait for it again. Oh, 16, 12, wow, there's a lot of different here right now. I think one thing that we can use is that if let's say there are huge change or huge drop in the buy queue, then we can use that as the sign or signal for the exit. Like just now, the price actually moved up to about 40 and then it dropped it down to about 30 plus. I think that is a good sign to tell us that, okay, it's time to get out. So right now the price is going down, but there's no high volume, so it might continue to go down lower in this case. Unless right now in this one, the price, or maybe later on the price is moving sideways, but there is a high volume are created, and then it shows that they will have a continue, they will have the price of reversal. So far we haven't seen any of it here right now. Okay, volume is not higher than previous one also. So right now it's bounced back up to 41, 49. Highest point 41, so it's down to 28. So huge price difference here. Let's see. Okay, high volume here right now. Volume higher than previous one. Let's see where does it close. If it's just close here, then it means that, okay, they have the reversal is here. Mm, eight two eight four. Excuse me. I don't think if let's say with a real fund I am able to do this like holding up until now, because there will be some emotional kicks in. So that's why right now we need to trade, understand how this trade actually works. So we know the price movement, how do they move. So when we have when we are using real fund, then things will be easier in that way. So it's quarterly earning period. Take some time to form the bottom here. 8, 39, 41. Hello everyone. 21, 21, 20, 21. Okay, new candle right now. Volume not higher than the one before. If this reversal is successful, then basically throughout the whole day the price will just mark it up higher. What we see from here is that the price here down, this one down, this one is getting smaller and smaller. So it's a sign of a reversal. We need to wait for this to close it. 51 and 40, 44, 40 plus. Just now we see the 51, 56, 53, back to 51, 52, 56, 57, 60 plus, 68. Okay, so they are queuing at the higher point. So we can just watch and let it go. 74, 75, 79, 77, 81, 86, 82, 80. Okay, huge changes of price right now. So let's take the profit and wait for the volume to go higher. Volume higher than the previous one. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this profit. So it's about 2,000 plus of the profit. Entry is 136.27, exit is 136.82. So 136.82 minus 136.27 multiplied by 4,000 units, so it's about 2,002. So okay, so we have tested this again today. Basically, Bank of America, we are able to spot when it start to have a price retrace from that. And then ExxonMobil also, we have the profit out of it, not much, but we still have the profit using the same method. And then Apple also, we have the same method. So which means that today, good trades over here. So continuously we have the profit right now overall, so seems quite okay with it. So we continue to test on it until a few more rounds. I still see some flaws in using this trading method. So you can see right now Apple is going down. So okay, exit rules. Basically right now we find some clues on it to look into the buy orders. If let's say there are a huge change of reduce of the price order, it tells us that they are not going to mark the price up higher. That's where we need to quickly do the exit, take the profit. Okay, and then if yeah, these are the things that we have to look into it. Then entry wise, we use the same thing. The price is close higher than the previous candlestick high, and that's where we enter. And of course, we need to find all this price, any of the reversal, identify it. Yes, okay, we know that. So test a few more rounds. I'll do a few more rounds of this live stream in the upcoming weeks and months, and to have a confirmation of this kind of price movement is working in the US market. All right, so thank you for joining in. Hope you guys are able to learn together with me on how this day trade in the US market works. Actually, I find day trading is much more easier to know what is the price movement is like comparing to looking into the day charts for US market, because at least we know that okay, whether they want to mark the price up higher or whether they want to throw the price down lower. So it's much easier this case. Okay, so I think Apple right now up until they'll move the price up higher until maybe mid of the day or something like that. So we see how it goes. Okay, but it's done for me today. That's it. All right, thank you very much, and remember to give us a like and share this to your friends who are interested to look into the US market. And I'll see you guys again next week on Monday at 10:30 p.m. So it's no longer at 9:30 p.m. because that is daylight saving. Okay, so see you guys. Bye bye.
Brown and Surge. True traders react to the market.